good? Alright, y'all hear that in the background. That's the next song that's coming out. It's called These Haters, but I'm about to spin my verse to y'all real quick because I want y'all to let me know how y'all feel about it. I got somebody collabing with me. I might have my nigga Static the Key and J Twist collabing. So, but let me know what y'all think about it though. I'm gonna start it over.
See, I'm getting this paper, sitting on top. Stack it up till I drop, whether you like it or not. Oh, still getting paper, shitting on these haters. Oh, 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 baby, like,
Alright, look.
yeah, shitting on these haters,
We don't
yeah.
love these hoes, that's what me and my nigga Reese say. And my nigga shine tall like Wiz Khalifa. And I'm shouting out the kill squad, that's Uzi and EJ. And my nigga Static the Key, keep it hot like heat rays. When I die, I hope niggas remember me like Mike J. Please excuse me, cause you might not like the things I'm finna say. If you come in at my neck, then you might just meet my cape. I'll mix you up and scratch you like a fucking DJ. None of these niggas really know what I'm about. I leave your ass wet with your chest hanging out. And your baby mom screams, so I put a bullet in her mouth. And your grandmom's and mom's brain all over the couch. I am lyrically insane. Head empty, no brain. Shitting on these haters, I don't give a fuck what they say, man. Cause I'm all about it, they ain't about shit. And if you got a problem, nigga, we can hit. I'm a northside nigga till I hit the ditch. And if a nigga say something, my bust is lit.
See, I'm getting this paper, sitting on top. Stack it up till I drop, whether you.
Well, that's the first verse. I'm not gonna spit the second verse because this is just like a snip, you know. But tell me what y'all think and comment. Follow me on Twitter at underscore. I mean at lowercase I capital S smoke underscore heavily with a capital H on that too. Underscore after that. And if you don't got me on Facebook, add me. But yeah, that's about it. Gone.